Hey everyone, I'm Stejas from Partners in Travel, and today we're gonna talk Krakow, Poland. Let's go! Krakow is a southern Poland city near the border of the Czech Republic. It's the best preserved city in Poland, and its old town has one of the largest medieval squares in Europe, with St. Mary's Basilica, 14th century Gothic Church. Krakow is one of the cleanest cities I've been, with great parks and a bustling nightlife. The buildings in the old town are colorful and the streets are cobbled, and everything was just beautiful. Next, we went to Tytano, a city within a city. Back in the old days, it was a tobacco factory, and now it's the best place to drink, eat, with all kinds of bars, restaurants, and street food. My favorite place was Wezze Crafta, Krakow's biggest multitap bar with great beers, and my personal favorite, IPA local beers. The place is very beautiful, so we spent 2 nights there. Next, we see the Wawel Castle, one of the largest in Poland, and the architecture, medieval, Gothic, and Baroque. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in it are the Wawel Cathedral, an art museum, and other beautiful buildings. On the left side of the Wawel Castle is the Vistula River. At the foot of the Wawel Hill is the Wawel Dragon. Next, we walked to the Jewish old town called Kazimierz. That was the center of Jewish life in Krakow for 500 years until it was destroyed in the Second World War. Now it's an exciting place to see, with great cafes, art galleries, hidden bars that take you back years, and the old synagogue. It has a great nightlife. On the road back to our hotel, as we were walking, we stumbled onto an event happening with traditional songs and food. Lots of food.
Dziękujemy Państwu. Zapraszamy do słuchania.
I will visit Krakow again because I left so much behind and I loved it, truly loved it. The food was great, the people very friendly. So if you liked our video, make sure you subscribe
hit that bell so you can get all our travel videos every week.